Hello Quora users! Today I'll show you how to connect your Facebook account to Quora, allowing you to easily share your Quora activity with your Facebook friends and connect with others. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account using your current username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to connect your Facebook account. Navigate your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Linked Accounts or Connected Accounts. Here, you'll find options to manage the third-party accounts linked to your Quora profile. Scroll through a list of the available options and locate the Facebook option. Click on it to start the connection process. Quora will prompt you to log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Enter your Facebook username and password to proceed. After logging in, Facebook will ask you to authorize Quora access to certain information from your Facebook account. Review the permissions requested and click Continue or Authorize to grant access. Once authorized, Quora will notify you that your Facebook account has been successfully connected. You may have the option to customize your sharing settings or privacy preferences. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Facebook account to Quora. Your Quora activity will now be shared with your Facebook friends, and you can easily find and connect with others on Quora. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.